Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and getting up for the winter season. This is Sindhu Purnima from Oro Realty and I'm thrilled to welcome you all to the latest construction video update for the Regent by Oro Realty, our premium high-rise gated community nestled in the serene locale of Kondapur. Spread across 10.38 acres, the Regent offers 5 magnificent towers with uninterrupted views of Gopicheru Lake and the lush green expanse of Hyderabad Central University, delivering a lifestyle that lush outside and luxe inside. So, let's begin with Phase 1, which consists of pristine, esteem and serene towers. Phase 1. We are happy to announce that customer handovers are progressing well, with the handover of all the units of Phase 1 to conclude by the end of this year. Over 500 customers have finished registrations and taken over their units, proceeding with interior works. And around 75 customers have occupied their units and are living happily, experiencing the lush and luxe of the Regent offers, including outdoor amenities like party lawn, barbecue corner, swimming pool and pool deck, lake viewing decks, outdoor gym, kids play area, yoga pavilion, meditation pavilion, skating rink, as well as the clubhouse with all the amenities like party hall, restaurant, guest rooms, indoor gymnasium, table tennis and snooker court, as well as squash and badminton courts. We are expecting more occupants going forward. Also, we are thrilled to share that 98% of the inventory in Phase 1, comprising pristine, esteem and serene towers, is now sold out. Phase 2. Now let's take a look at Phase 2, starting with dazzling tower. All 39 floor slabs along with structures above the terrace like overhead water tanks, lift machine rooms, staircase headrooms and aesthetic pergolas are fully completed. Terrace waterproofing works and external painting works are completed 50% and the balance is in progress. Internally, we have completed toilet waterproofing works for 90% of the units. Parallelly, gypsum wall punning works are completed for 85% of the units by now. Tiling works for the units, staircase railing and basement, precast erection works are in progress. Moving on to the Celestine Tower, the typical floor structure is completed up to the 32nd floor and progressing on the 33rd and 34th floors. Parallelly, gypsum punning works for the units have begun. We are excited to share that 98% of the inventory in Phase 2 is sold out. Now, your chance to own one of these spacious residencies ranging from 2124 square feet to 2191 square feet. That concludes our construction update for the Regent by Oro Realty, with handovers in full swing and the construction advancing steadily. The Regent continues to take shape as it's one of Hyderabad's most sought after high-rise gated communities. Thank you for joining us today. We invite you to visit our site office for more updates and to experience the developments firsthand, what makes the Regent truly special. This is Sindhu Purnima from Oro Realty, signing off.